So, today we're going to make a neck pillow, or you can use this on your lumbar. All you need is this Fairfield, it doesn't have to say Fairfield, Polyfill Low Loft 100% quilt batting. The small, the size is 45 by 60, fits a crib. You're going to need 3 safety pins. These are about an inch long, I'd say. Not the real big one. And you're going to need a standard size pillow slip. And you're going to put this in there long ways. And I'll show you. Let's put it in there and let me show you. We are putting it in long, your pillow. And we roll it up, and I tuck in these, and then we're going to take this and pin it 3 times. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So, I get back after I pin it. Now I got the pillowcase done, and that's what it looks like when you get it finished. That's a neck roll, or you can use it on your back. Real soft. Leave the plastic on it. Keeps it clean. If you don't want the plastic on, just roll it tighter. But this is so soft. You can use it for your back, neck, anywhere on your body. It's a lot better than a towel. So anyway, if you want a neck roll or a back roll, that's what I suggest using. I've tried every product there is. And this is just amazing. You know how it feels. I've had 3 neck surgeries, so I should know what feels good on my neck and my husband's back. And you can buy more if you need it wider. You can make your own. Come up with your own design. Then you just undo this when you need to wash. And there you go. And I like using a different color than my bedding. Because here's my pillow, and I want to be able to find I like it contrasted, because if I put white on my bed, I'm not going to find my pillow. So I just use an old pillow slip. Just standard size, fits this perfect. So there you have it. That's how you make a roll for your back or your neck. Bye. Hope this helps someone.